Hey, it's Tim with Expert Power Wash out in Portland, Oregon, and today I wanted to talk about my experience with my Xtratuf deck boots. So as you see here, I got two pair, a brown pair and a blue pair. And at first, these worked out pretty well for me. So I just wanted to pass along my experience on these boots, and hopefully this is helpful to somebody else. So here's the brown pair. I've been running these for, well, between both pairs a couple years. But on the left-hand side here, here's the brown ones. They are ripped out there. Hopefully you guys can see this on the video, but they are ripped out there on the side of the left boot. So I figured, okay, no big deal. I'll go out and get another pair. Maybe they just don't last that long. So I picked up these blue pair here, and just the other day, would you believe it or not, they're ripped out again on the left hand side, exactly in the same spot as the brown ones. So I can see a pair of boots ripping out once, they rip out twice in the same spot. I'm gonna go to something different. They are waterproof, you know, of course, until you rip them out and then your feet are wet at 9 a.m. and then you got to go all day with wet feet. You guys know how that is. That's no fun. So I ordered another pair. I found these on sale online, and I'll show you what they are, and let's take a look. All right, let's get this box opened up. Was going to do a time lapse on this, but that's just too fancy. You guys are probably just wondering what kind of boots I bought here. So pull them out of here. They are these guys here. Box looks pretty good. Pelagic, however you say it. I've never owned these before. This is going to be my first experience with them. But the reviews, everything online actually looks pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and give them a shot. These ones are on sale. They're the blue ones. They were on sale for 66 bucks at the time of this video. That could go up, could go down. I'll take them out of here. But I'll show you one thing that really kind of drew me over to these. If you can see them, really nice. The toe, and it looks like a lot of spots where it ripped out over on the other boot. These are reinforced. So there's a double layer there on the foot, and they look like a pretty good boot. Probably slip resistant. The sole looks pretty good. So yeah, if you guys have good experience with a deck boot or muck boot that you guys are using for pressure washing, go ahead and drop it in the comments down below. Let me know what you're using. And also, if this video was helpful, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and I'll see you guys again.